An Alabama sheriff is facing his own legal troubles tonight. Good evening, everyone. I'm Valerie Lawson.
I'm Mark Bullock. Lowndes County Sheriff Chris West was in court today on 2 misdemeanor charges.
The charges stem from a disagreement between the sheriff and a county commissioner that disrupted a meeting earlier this year. WSFA 12 News anchor Rosanna Smith was in court today, and she has more.
Lowndes County Sheriff Chris West pleaded not guilty in municipal court. He is charged with harassment and obstructing governmental operations, charges his attorney Richard Rice believes need to be dismissed.
Well, that's a slippery slope. Political officials, elected officials should not weaponize criminal justice system if they have a disagreement.
District 1 County Commissioner Robert Harris filed those charges. He says the sheriff threatened commissioners and disrupted their vote. He says it happened during a commission meeting in June when Harris and West got into an argument about relocating the sheriff's investigators to the former Hayneville Town Hall. He says the move was due to the condition of the current building, a move the sheriff opposed.
He did not like that particular building. We used what we had to try to accommodate him to the best of our ability and what we could afford.
Harris says after making motions to move forward, things intensified.
He said, well, come outside, we'll settle this, come outside. And we'll settle this. So I took that as a threat.
West's attorney says he recently obtained a copy of the video of that meeting. He believes the allegations against his client are politically motivated.
Certain comments sometimes are not, savory, or maybe it's not what you would say to your grandmother. But at the end of the day, these are adults that are conducting the business of the people. Sometimes it's contentious. Doesn't mean it rises to the level of a threat.
But Harris says all he wants is for the sheriff to be held accountable for his actions.
He's the sheriff. He's supposed to be de-escalating, not escalating.
West remains as sheriff, but his attorney says the longer this draws out, the greater the impact.
Sheriff West is eager to have these charges behind him so he can move forward with the duties that he was elected to perform.
Judge Fred Bell made the decision to take the case under advisement. The next court date is set for November 14th. Rosanna Smith in Hayneville, WSFA 12 News.
And we are told that the city prosecutor on this case has recused himself. Another prosecutor will be assigned to this case.